This is my son's potty training seat, and he absolutely loves the independence that this gives him. This top part folds down very easily for easy storage. It's super light, so he can move it around the bathroom himself. It has a step stool, so he can step up and onto the toilet. He can also move it over to the sink and use the step stool to reach the sink and wash his hands. This pops up and it comes with a squishy seat insert. It also comes with a double-sided tape to put on the bottom of this so it doesn't come off. I like to be able to take it off so that I can clean underneath of it. So I didn't put the tape on, but it does come with it for that purpose. It has a splash guard on the front here so the kids don't make a mess while they are using it. The little bear design is so adorable. It has two handles, one on either side here. That helps my son be able to pick it up and carry it around the bathroom like this. And it also gives him something to grip onto to climb up onto the seat, as well as just hold onto and have somewhere to put his hands while he's actually sitting. The second step is super useful to him because his feet aren't just dangling off the toilet. He has something to put his feet on. And the bottom have grippies, so it's not going to be sliding all around your bathroom. Once it's on the ground, it sticks pretty well. So the way you use it, if it's folded, you just pop this piece up and then slide it right on the top of your toilet. It sits right on top of the existing toilet seat. No modifications have to be made to the toilet seat. You actually are able to adjust the height of this when you are putting it together, so it fits any height toilet seat. It was very easy to put together. It came with everything that you need. You can see it has, the screws are large, and it even came with a little piece to screw those in. So there's two little screws in there, and the rest of it really just clicked together. We ended up buying two of these and we love them. We have one for our downstairs bathroom and we have one for my son's bathroom upstairs. I'm super happy with this. I love that it's not in my way when I'm trying to use the restroom, and he loves that he can move it around himself. So I highly recommend this toilet seat.